We're at the mall. Stay close, everyone.
Wow, so many shops.
Do you want some ice cream first, Lily?
Yes, please. Mommy, look, a puppy.
Oh, how cute. Come on, sweetie, this way.
Just one more look. Mommy? Daddy? Where are you?
Lily, hold my... Lily? Where is Lily?
She was right here.
Lily? Lily!
Don't panic. She can't be far.
There are so many people. Lily, can you hear me?
Let's check the shops we passed. Excuse me, have you seen a little girl? Brown hair, a red ribbon, a yellow dress?
No, sir, I'm sorry. Please try the security desk.
If you see her, please tell someone. Please.
Little puppy, are you lost too? Don't be scared. I'm lost too, but we can be brave together.
Our daughter is missing. Her name is Lily. She is 6 years old.
Stay calm, sir. We will help you. What is she wearing?
A yellow dress and a red ribbon. Please hurry.
Attention, please. We are looking for a little girl named Lily. 6 years old, yellow dress, red ribbon. If you see her, please bring her to the front desk.
Please, someone find her.
There you are. Little girl, is your name Lily?
Yes, and this puppy is lost too. I was helping him.
Your mom and dad are so worried. Let's find them right now.
Lily! Oh, my baby.
Mommy, Daddy.
We were so scared. Are you okay?
Please, never let go of my hand again.
I'm sorry, Mommy. I was helping the lost puppy.
Buddy, there you are. Thank you for keeping him safe.
He was scared, like me, so I took care of him.
You have a very kind heart, Lily.
Lily, the mall is very big. You must always stay close to us.
I know now. I was so scared when I could not find you.
But we found each other. That is what matters. Now, who wants that ice cream?
Me! And I will hold your hand the whole time.
That's my girl.